Welcome to our podcast, where we cover unique and interesting stories for you. In this episode, we will discuss how some spiders may sleep and dream like humans. Many people are arachnophobic, which means having an intense fear of spiders. Our fears make us feel uncomfortable, and often we avoid those things. Those who have arachnophobia will definitely avoid contact with a spider if they spot one hanging motionless. But next time when you come across a spider web, keep in mind one thing, that it might actually be snoozing and dreaming like humans. Yes, you heard it right. Daniela Rumpler, a behavioral ecologist, observed jumping spiders dangling in her laboratory in 2020 and came up with this finding. Recently, Rumpler and her research team published their findings in the journal Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences. As per the study, thousands of species of jumping spiders might experience rapid eye movement stages of sleep, a state in which humans have their most powerful dreams. The study states that a nocturnal resting behavior in a jumping spider, where spiders suspend themselves upside down on a silk line to rest throughout the night. The experts assumed they could be sleeping, as this characteristic and strictly nocturnal posture are coupled with inactivity. The adult spiders exhibited conspicuous phases with an elevated activity that included stereotyped leg-curling behavior, as well as twitching of opisthosoma, spinnerets, and limbs. While jumping spiders cannot move the lenses of their eyes, they can move their retinae to adjust their gaze, with muscles enabling axial, rotational, and directional movements of the entire retinal tube within the prosoma, a part of the study read. Importantly, the researchers have said that how spiders are said to be sleeping is close to the sleeping patterns of humans. But the finding actually begging the deeper question of whether jumping spiders may be experiencing visual dreams. Study's lead author, Rumpler, who is a biologist at Germany University of Konstanz, told Scientific American, "They were just uncontrollably twitching in a way that really looked a lot like when dogs or cats dream and have their little REM phases." In a separate interview with the Washington Post, Rumpler said, "Whether that means that they are visually experiencing this similar to how we experience visual dreams is a completely different story. If spiders are really dreaming, then they must be dreaming about flies. But the question is, what are nightmares about? Humans." Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. Stay connected for more exciting discussions and updates in our next podcast.